Tired of inventory chaos holding your business back? This video is your express ticket to mastering Cin7, the all-in-one platform to revolutionize your inventory management. First, let's set up your account. Navigate to the settings menu here. You will input all your business information. Add company details, currency, tax information, and shipping options. Connect your existing e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Amazon. Authorize the connection within Cin7 to seamlessly sync product listings and orders. Next, let's build your product catalog. Add new products manually or import via CSV. Input key details like SKU, product description, pricing, and high-quality images to make your products shine. Automate purchase orders. Create a new PO, choose a supplier, and add items from your catalog. Sales orders are just as simple. Select a customer and add items to begin the fulfillment process. Gain real-time visibility of your warehouse. Track stock levels and movement of products. Harness the power of reporting and analytics to identify sales trends, improve inventory turnover, and boost profitability. Use batch tracking to trace products through the supply chain, ensuring quality and compliance. Factor in landed costs to accurately calculate your profit margins. And finally, master multi-channel selling by managing inventory and orders from one central platform. Unlock Cin7's full potential and scale your business effectively. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.